equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, power off your Mekitron Conga 3090 and unplug it. Gather your tools, a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a can of compressed air. Begin by removing the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust. This helps maintain performance and longevity. Next, perform a visual inspection. Look for any loose wires or signs of wear. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to seek a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, you can enjoy pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free. After your inspection, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws. Ensure everything is tight and in place. If you need repairs, always ask for a quote before repair. This way, you know what to expect. With no calls and no travel, you can keep your Mekitron Conga 3090 running smoothly with ease. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.